Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the right prerequisites and immediate actions. Start by confirming eligibility, degree, GPA, and graduation window, and then add 3 measurable analytics projects to your CV. Next, create a GitHub, LinkedIn, and a one-page portfolio showing notebooks, dashboards, datasets. This proves skills quickly. Once done, apply to Deloitte postings, campus portals, and message one recruiter weekly. Make sure to track every submission in a simple spreadsheet so nothing is missed and follow-ups are timely. Once applications are sent, intensify technical prep. Commit to 30 minutes daily on SQL, Python, and Excel, practice joins, group by, pandas merges, and pivot tables, because Deloitte tests applied skills. Simultaneously build 2 case studies that show problem framing, datasets, approach, visualizations, and business impact. Host them publicly so interviewers can review. Also prepare STAR answers for at least 8 behavioral prompts and rehearse with mock interviews and timed coding. In the final phase, follow up 7 to 10 days after applying with a concise update that includes new project links and your availability. During interviews, clarify the business question first, outline your approach before you code, and finish by summarizing insights and recommended next steps. This separates analysts from coders. If you get rejected, politely request feedback, iterate on your portfolio, add 1 new project within 2 weeks, and reapply to similar roles. This rapid cycle fixes gaps and keeps momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.